Hello, Nakjo and Baby Draco and to your family. I just want to say thank you very much sa natanggap kong regalo sa iyo. Sa pinadala mo through DHL. Ayan. Thank you very much, Nakjo. Kahapon na open ko guys live, but this I just want to make this video for appreciation and from the bottom of my heart. Thank you very much. And this one guys is one Seiko watch. This is for Daddy C. I-open natin. Yan. So ito guys, original silver Seiko watch. Napakamahal. So, sobrang masaya si Daddy si kagabi ng tapos ko live. Sabi na, sobrang salamat sa iyo, Jo. Na-appreciate na ng sobra. Ayan, thank you so much, Jo, sa binigay mo kay Daddy na Seiko watch. Mahal ito, guys. Kaya talagang, na sobrang bait ang batang yan. Ayan, sabi ni Daddy never mo ako nabigyan ng watch. Si Jo pang nakabigay. Sabi ko, yes, mabait ang batang yan. So, thank you, Jo, sa pagbigay mo kay Daddy C ng Seiko watch. Ayan. Highly appreciated. Iingatan na daw ito para remembrance niya sa'yo habang buhay siya. And then, just want also to thank you sa binigay mo kay Ate Joy. Itong G-Shock Casio watch. Ayan, napakaganda. Itong box nyo, guys. Buksan natin. Thank you very much, Nakjo, for this. Pati si Ate Joy, binigyan mo rin ng regalo. Sobrang na-appreciate namin niya, Nakjo. Sobra. Thank you. Gagawa din daw siya ng appreciation video. Ayan, thank you very much. Ito, guys, napakaganda at napakamahal. Ayan. So, ayan, makikita natin dito, guys, ang mga presyo sa binili ni Nakjo. Ayan, napakaganda. Ang ganda ng iyang, ayan, di ba, no? So nice. Thank you very much, Nakjo. And, we really appreciated. Halos lahat kami dito na binigyan mo. Salamat ng sobra. Ayan, ito ang kay Ate Joy. Napakaganda. Thank you very much, Nak. Highly appreciated. Binigay mo sa kanya for this pamasko. Ito, she want to make sure that iingatan niya to. So, thank you, Nak. Very much. Ayan, guys. Casio watch. Ayan. So, next, we have this, guys. Ang iyang laman. Ayan. Napakaganda. Ito yung sa loob. So, ito, guys, ang napakagandang regalo sa aming baby Athena. Cute talaga. Ayan, napaka-cute, no? Silver, sorry, gold bracelet. Ayan, napakaganda. Ang ganda ng pagka-gold siya, guys. Sobra. Ito yung iyang, alam ko mahal to. Sinakjo pa. Ito, ay ang iyang message kay Baby Athena. Ayan, sabi niya, to Baby Athena, love you, anak from Mami Jo. Ayan. Thank you very much, Mami Jo, on behalf kay Baby Athena. Natulog siya ngayon. Sobrang salamat sa binigay mo sa kanya na pamaskong regalo. Iingatan niya to, and thank you very much, Jo. And then, napakagandang bracelet kay Barbie Athena. And then, this one is a regalo ni Nakjo kay Mami C. Ayan. Thank you so much for this, Nakjo. Ito yung aking relo na pinadala mo sa akin. Thank you so much. Ayan, gold watch. Seiko gold watch. Ayan. Ito niya. Napakaganda. Ayan. Real gold. Ayan. So, thank you, Nak. Ayan siya. Ang regalo sa akin ng napakabait, napakaganda. Alam niyo naman kung gaano sa ka-generous. Thank you very, very much for this, Nakjo. I really, really, really appreciate pag-iingatan ko to. By the way, Nakjo, this morning, lumabas kami ni Daddy. Napagawa ko na to, nabawasan na. So, sinuot ko na to kanina. Sinuot ko na to kanina. Yeah. Ganda, Nak, no? Ganda. Yeah. Pareho na kaming golden, Nak. So, ayan. Sinuot ko na to kanina, Nak. Binayadan ni Daddy yung pinabawasan ko ng ganito, oh. Ayan. Ito yung binawas. So, kasi ginamit ko, eh. Ayan. May relo na si Mami Sina. So, thank you, Nakjo. Love you. Thank you very much for this. Pag-iingatan ko to hanggang buhay ako. Ayan. Okay. So, thank you. Thank you, my dear. Ayan. Tamang-tama ng oras. At saka, na-set na rin na to kanina. At nabawasan na. So, na-init time ito na to. So, at nagamit ko na kanina. Ayan na. So, thank you very, very much for this, Nakjo. From the bottom of my heart, I really appreciate it. And the most awaiting. And of course, kagabi, nabuksan ko na to siya. Ito, bago to, guys. So, tingnan nyo. Ayan, hindi pa nakuha yung plastic. Ayan. So, ito na yung cover ng pinadala sang ating napakabait at ganda, sexy. Ayan. Itong iPhone 14 Apple. Yeah. So, iPhone Pro Max 14. iPhone 14 Pro Max. Ayan. So, buksan natin. Ayan. Ayan, ito guys, napakaganda. Ayan. Napakabago, bago. Wilkert sa ating napakagandang, napakabait na si Nakjo Encarnacion. Ayan. So, thank you very, very much. Napakaganda. Hindi ko pa ito na-i-charge. Kasi, inano ko muna, magagawan siya ng video, tapos i-charge ko. Napakaganda. Ayan. Tapos, sa loob niya, meron siyang ganito. So, ayan. So, lucky. And then, I had this one. So, I'm gonna use this to charge after this videos. Ngayon, meron na akong Apple. Yeah! Meron akong iPhone. So, from the bottom of my heart, Nakjo, thank you very, very much for this birthday gift nga pinadala mo from Abu Dhabi to Cyprus. I really, really appreciate, and also Daddy C appreciated, and Ate Joy, and Baby Athena. Thank you for your generosity and for sending this to me. You take care of yourself always, and thank you for loving me as like your mom, and thank you for everything you have done to me. You take care of yourself, and also take care of baby Draco, okay? And thank you. I hope to see you someday. And thank you that you never change. I really appreciate that. And you're always in my prayer. Thank you very much. I will care for this as a way I care for you like my daughter. Yeah. God bless and take care of yourself always. Okay? Thank you very much. May the Lord bless you and give you more in return. Thank you, Nat. You take care of yourself. God bless, and baby Draco hugs to you. Bye-bye. Thank you.